Hey, what's up? So today we're gonna take a look at how to fix this error that I keep getting on Stremio, and it's usually when it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens sometimes. And it's like switching to libvlc or whatever, and you get that little like plug error. I'll actually go in a different one and try to recreate that. But if you're watching this video, you already know what I'm talking about. Um, yeah, you see that? I be getting that all the time. It makes me so angry. So what I've done, I've tried force stopping the app. I also have the app on my phone. It happens on my phone sometimes. I've tried force stopping. I've tried clearing cache, and none of that works. So what I figured, at least for me, what's the issue is it's the links from Torrentio. Sometimes it does that. I don't know why. But watch. If I scroll over. Okay, let me go. So if I go on Media Fusion, for example, I don't want the Russian one, but yeah, if I go on Media Fusion, click play, usually bypasses that error. It like works. I don't know why, but it looks like it's something to do with Torrentio. So if you're getting that issue, you see what I'm saying? So if you're getting that issue, most likely it's Torrentio. So that's the way to fix it. You can try clearing cache, that might work. You could try force stopping, restarting your device, that might work. But honestly, I think it's mostly the Torrentio links that cause that error. So if that happens for you, try the Media Fusion link. As you can see, it works for me. We did it live right now on camera. So let me know if that works for you guys. Also, please make sure to subscribe, click like, show some love, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right? Peace.